How to remove games from Gaming Hub on Android. This tutorial shows you how to disable or remove the Gaming Hub application from your Samsung device. First, launch the Settings application on your Android device. Next, the main settings menu will appear with various configuration options. Following that, scroll down through the list to find Apps. Now, tap on Apps to view all installed applications on your device. Moving forward, you'll see a list of all your apps displayed on the screen. Afterwards, scroll through the list or use the search bar to find Game Launcher or Gaming Hub. In addition to that, tap on Game Launcher to open the app information page. Once the details page opens, look for the Disable or Uninstall button at the top. Subsequently, if you see Uninstall, tap on it to remove the app completely. Moreover, a confirmation prompt will appear asking if you're sure. Afterwards, tap on OK or Uninstall to confirm and remove Gaming Hub. Then, if Uninstall isn't available, tap on Disable to deactivate the app. Within this section, another confirmation will appear warning about potential issues. Alternatively, tap on Disable App or OK to proceed with disabling Gaming Hub. Once disabled, the app will no longer appear in your app drawer or notifications. Then you can also tap on Force Stop to immediately halt all Gaming Hub processes. Afterwards, scroll down and tap on Storage to clear app data. Then tap on Clear Data and Clear Cache to remove all Gaming Hub information. Moreover, go back to your home screen and long press on any Gaming Hub widgets. Afterwards, drag them to the Remove icon to delete widgets from your screen. Then, Gaming Hub has been successfully removed or disabled from your Android device. And that's it. If this tutorial helped you remove games from Gaming Hub on Android, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tips and tricks, and tap the bell icon for notifications. See you in the next one.